Welcome to the IELTS Speaking mock interview. This candidate is targeting a band 9.0. Please do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Let's talk about your daily routine. Can you describe a typical day for you?
Well, my typical day usually starts around 6:30 in the morning when I wake up and get ready for work. I try to incorporate some exercise into my routine by either going for a jog or doing a short yoga session. After that, I have a quick breakfast, mostly something light like a smoothie or a bowl of cereal. Then I head to work where I spend most of my day in meetings and collaborating with my team. After work, I like to unwind by cooking dinner and spending some quality time with my family or catching up on a good book before going to bed.
What part of your day do you enjoy the most?
I definitely enjoy my evenings the most. It's the time when I can finally relax and disconnect from work responsibilities. I take pleasure in preparing dinner as cooking is quite therapeutic for me. Additionally, any time spent with my family is always cherished. Furthermore, I tend to engage in hobbies such as reading, which allows me to unwind and recharge for the next day.
Do you have any hobbies or activities that you've recently started?
Recently, I've taken up gardening as a hobby. It's been truly rewarding to see the plants grow and flourish under my care. There's something satisfying about working with your hands and being in nature, which has become a great way to relieve stress. Plus, it's wonderful to have fresh herbs and vegetables available at my convenience.
How do you manage your time throughout the day?
I try to be very organized when it comes to managing my time. I usually plan my day the night before, outlining any important tasks and deadlines. During the day, I prioritize my work, focusing on essential tasks first and then moving on to less critical ones. It's about balancing work tasks with personal needs, ensuring I have time to relax and indulge in activities I enjoy.
Is there something you would like to change about your daily routine?
If I could change one thing, it would be to incorporate more physical activity into my daily routine. Although I do exercise in the morning, sometimes it's not as consistent as I'd like it to be. Including a longer workout session or joining a group class could be motivating. Also, a more consistent bedtime routine would assure better rest.
Here is your topic. Describe a memorable journey you have taken. You should say where you went, how you traveled, what you did during the journey, and explain why it was memorable for you.
I would like to talk about a memorable journey I took last spring to Kyoto, Japan. This trip was a perfect combination of tranquility and adventure, which left a lasting impression on me. I traveled with a close friend, and we decided to explore this beautiful city during the cherry blossom season. We flew to Kansai International Airport and then took a train into Kyoto. Traveling by train in Japan is an experience in itself. It's efficient and allows you to see the picturesque countryside. Once we arrived, we checked into a traditional Japanese ryokan, which added an authentic touch to our experience. Each day was packed with exploration, starting with the Arashiyama bamboo grove early in the morning to avoid the crowds and enjoy the serene ambiance. Walking amidst the towering bamboo stalks felt like stepping into another world. We also visited several iconic temples, such as Kinkaku-ji, the Golden Pavilion, which was breathtaking with its reflection shimmering in the surrounding pond. One of the highlights of the trip was experiencing a traditional tea ceremony. It was fascinating to observe the meticulous process, which emphasized respect, purity, and tranquility. The ritual offered a brief escape from the hustle and bustle of daily life and allowed me to fully immerse myself in the cultural aspect of the journey. Another notable experience was attending the Hanami Festival in Maruyama Park. Surrounded by blooming cherry blossoms, we mingled with locals who were incredibly warm and welcoming. The atmosphere was filled with joy, laughter, and a sense of community spirit, which was infectious. What made this journey truly memorable was the combination of Kyoto's profound sense of history, culture, and its picturesque natural beauty. Every moment spent there left me with a newfound appreciation for Japanese culture and its harmonious blend of the old and the new. This journey not only enriched my understanding of the world, but also provided cherished memories that I carry with me to this day.
Now let's discuss the impact of traveling on personal growth. How do you think traveling to new places contributes to a person's understanding of the world?
In my opinion, traveling to new places is incredibly beneficial for personal growth. It allows individuals to step outside of their comfort zones and experience new cultures and perspectives. By immersing oneself in different societies, one can gain a deeper understanding of global diversity and interconnectedness. This exposure can challenge preconceived notions and stereotypes, fostering open-mindedness and adaptability. Additionally, traveling can enhance problem-solving skills, as one often encounters unexpected situations that require quick thinking and resourcefulness.
Would you say that there are any negative aspects of traveling for extended periods?
Yes, while traveling has its many benefits, extended travel can have some negative aspects as well. For instance, it can sometimes lead to fatigue and disorientation due to constant changes in time zones and environments. Prolonged travel can also cause feelings of homesickness and detachment from one's social circles. Furthermore, the environmental impact of frequent traveling is a growing concern, as it contributes to carbon emissions and ecological degradation. It's essential to balance travel with sustainability and ensure that cultural and environmental respect is maintained.
What role do you think technology plays in modern travel experiences?
Technology plays a transformative role in the way we experience and approach travel today. With the proliferation of smartphones and applications, travelers have easy access to maps, language translators, and real-time information about destinations. This availability of information enhances convenience and safety, making travel more accessible to a broader audience. Social media and online reviews also help travelers make informed decisions about accommodations and activities. However, a downside is that over-reliance on technology might detract from engaging directly with the local culture and can sometimes lead to a more superficial experience.
In recent years, how do you think tourism has influenced local cultures and traditions?
Tourism has had a profound impact on local cultures and traditions. On the positive side, it can lead to cultural preservation as it encourages locals to maintain and promote their heritage. Festivals, crafts, and traditional practices may be sustained because tourists have an interest in engaging with them. However, there's also a risk of cultural commodification, where traditions might be altered or commercialized to cater to tourist expectations. It's crucial for local communities to manage tourism proactively, ensuring that it supports and respects cultural identities rather than diluting them.
Do you believe that travel can influence a person's sense of identity?
Absolutely, travel can significantly influence a person's sense of identity. When people encounter and reflect on different cultures and social norms, they often gain new insights about themselves and the society they come from. These experiences can prompt individuals to question their values and beliefs, sometimes even leading to a transformation in their worldview. Furthermore, travel experiences can foster a sense of identity that is more global as individuals begin to see themselves as part of a broader human community. This expanded perspective can lead to greater empathy and understanding across cultural boundaries.
Now let us review some advanced vocabulary expressions used by the candidate. Expression 1. Immersing, meaning involving oneself deeply in a particular activity or interest. Expression 2. Commodification, meaning the action or process of treating something as a mere commodity. Expression 3. Tranquility, meaning the quality or state of being calm and peaceful. Expression 4. Proliferation, meaning rapid increase in numbers. Expression 5. Harmonious, meaning forming a pleasing or consistent whole. This is the end of the speaking test. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos.